So this is a 20-foot privateer, 24-foot privateer, and I am, or have rather, built this deck and all the strings underneath, and we're about to put all these panels down, and the owner decided he wants to throw in, you know, PVC pipe for wiring the engine and this and that. It's got a nice engine mount. This engine mount slash swim platform, which will go on the back of the transom here. In any case, I've marked my spot where this hole is going to come through, and this pipe will come through the deck. And this is pretty simple. Just mark it and cut the whole square off. And when I glass the deck, I'll wrap all these, there's a few of them. There's PVC here coming through, and one for the fuel tank and fuel lines, and then finally for the console and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish marking these out so these pipes will come through, and then I can continue glassing the rest of the deck. We had a, let me even check that right now and see if this is dry or what. It's kind of hardening up. That's good. It's been, I think, since Thanksgiving, since I was down here, so. Or, yeah, the day after Thanksgiving, Friday. So this didn't dry. The rest of it is dry. So it's just this one spot. I don't know why. Maybe there's a leak. I don't think so. But it's drying up now, looks like. So I'll have to, usually what I do with this is I'll make some resin and silica, lightly silica, just a small bit, and I'll squeegee it right in to the bubbles, and that works pretty good for the most part. So I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I need to grind all this edge everywhere before I glass. There's a little bit to do, but for today, I'm going to go ahead and put this deck in and get that out of the way finally. Again, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and I'll be continuing these videos. Thanks.